Today for Mousetrap Monday, I have another mousetrap to show you that comes from Finland. Recently I posted a 3-part video series on traditional Finnish mousetraps, ones that have been used in farmhouses for hundreds of years. They're effective designs that you can make with hand tools. I thought I'd finish out this series with a modern mousetrap that comes from Finland. This is a choker style. I'm not going to try to pronounce the name. People go crazy in the comment section when I mispronounce it in a different language. Pretty much the only thing in English here, it says mousetrap and made in Finland. It's kind of hard to see with the light on that plastic, so let's take it out of the packaging, see how it works. Here's what this finished mousetrap looks like out of the box. The body's made out of gray and black plastic. There's a spring here that's connected to a noose. It goes up and down. The mouse will enter through the front here like this. To set it, you have to have that noose down. He'll stick his head through there. There's a little trigger in the back that's connected up here with a lever. To set it, you push this down, pull the lever down, hook it to the trigger. The mouse will want to come through, get the bait, pull that trigger forward a little bit, releases, and that's stuck on my finger. That's going to work. So let's go set this up in my garage and catch some wild mice with this finished mousetrap. Last night I set up this finished mousetrap in my garage. The mouse couldn't resist the bait. It went in there, pulled the trigger, released the lever, and got caught. And the spring's pretty powerful. When the trap went off, the whole thing jumped. To remove the mouse, you pull this down, give them a little tug. Then you can reset it and catch more mice. It's been interesting testing out these different traps from Finland, the 3 old style and this modern one. I'm going to be posting more videos on traps from foreign countries, so if you have a design you'd like me to test out, let me know. I also have a lot of videos coming up on antique mousetraps and mousetraps invented by YouTube viewers, especially 3D printed ones. I'm getting new traps in the mail every day, so stay tuned. I got a lot of good stuff coming up.